Samsung just proved it. Hey, what's going on guys, welcome back to the channel, hope you all are doing well. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 gets some insane numbers in charging speed and way powerful processor than the previous generation according to the numbers. The Unpack event of Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 going to be held on August 10th along with the Z Flip 4, Galaxy Watch 5 and Galaxy Buds, and you can reserve your Galaxy device from Samsung's official website and get a $200 credit. And yes, Samsung is also changing the name of both devices, Z Flip 4 and Z Fold 4. Before moving on, if you like the content, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel and comment down below what are your thoughts on new charging figures on Z Fold 4 and does it worth it? Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 will come with some exceptionally well figures of charging. According to Anthony, Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 will be fully charged from 0 to 100% in less than an hour, which is because of its new charging algorithm. But the thing to note is that the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 will only support 25 watt of fast charger, pretty low compared to their competitor, and to charge 4400 mAh battery with a just 25 watt of fast charging will be amazing. And Samsung just proved other wrongs where for now you don't need big chargers to charge fast. Since I own OnePlus 7 Pro which supports 30 watt of fast chargers, still that phone didn't charge in an hour. Meanwhile, the processor on the Z Fold 4 is really good. According to Ice Universe, the Z Fold 4 will get 15% faster CPU, 59% better GPU, and 68% better NPU. A big figures that are claimed by Snapdragon 8 Plus, but let's see how well it will perform against other competitors. The Z Fold 4 will get a pretty bright display standing at 1000 nits with a 120Hz refresh rate and a stronger glass on the front and back, which is Victus Plus. Samsung is also removing a letter Z from its foldable lineup. Since Samsung has already removed a letter Z from its website on Z Fold 3, and now the boxes of a Z Fold 4 might come with something else, but surely not a letter Z. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 will potentially price the same as previous generation with the same specs, since there is no confirmed news that if we get the 1TB version or 128GB version, and there is no price leak of these devices either. The cameras on the Z Fold 4 make an impact since it is a big jump over Z Fold 3. 50 megapixel main lens, 12 megapixel ultra wide, and 10 megapixel telephoto with 3x zoom will complete Z Fold 4 as a daily driver. So with that being said, if you came this far, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below what are your thoughts on new charging figures of a Z Fold 4 and does it worth it? I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.